Yo, it's good, it's up, it's a bar Riccomentals, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today we're going to be making a trap beat. Without further ado, let's get into it. That's fire right there. Yeah. Ooh. So I have this MIDI here, it sounds like this. Yeah. Yeah, so let's put in the simple two-step hi-hat and the snare. And the clap will come with a snare after. Yeah. And then let's also put a snare here. Let's assign it to a channel. Then let's see how we can play it. Simple like that. Let's increase the velocity a little bit. Yeah. And then we come with our open head. I like to do it that way, simple, and then we'll just duplicate everything. And then we'll come with our spin 08. So we are going to follow this root node here, like this. So right now let's take it up. See it. That's nice, I like that. Cool. Maybe we can also put a kick, but I don't want it to be loud, so it can disturb this spin 08. It just has to be on a normal velocity, I can say. Yeah, I think that's not bad. Then we have to do something with this sound. Let's reduce the velocity a little bit. Now I'll have to look for one shots. Let me try and get some one shots. I like this old it's an old bell. Let's see if we can play around with it. Let's find something. I like that. If I have some I like that. I just have to find a way to put it, but then I don't want it to play a huge role, because I don't want this whole thing to be complicated. So I think we'll just go with the rules. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, something like that, but then, you know, it will play on the background because I don't want it to be loud. Maybe we can also put some reverb on it. Let's come to the Valhalla vintage reverb. Yeah, this one. So fix it. And I think it will play only on the bridge, like, with a bass line, like, yeah, right there. That's what I want. So we do this. We that's it. Cheat code, copy, paste, remove, and we're left with this. Here we do this. Here we do this. And then we slide here with cheat code. Oh. Ooh. You hear that? Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, son. So here I have to find a way because everything is just so fast. I might leave the cards. Let me just clone this and then see what I can remove because the cards is a load. So we just copy this, we paste here. Let's play these two and this for now. I like that. I wanna, you know, there's too much going on here. It's going on a lot. Too much going on. Let's do these and then we cut. Ooh, that can be it. Simple. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. Like that. Or I might find another sound for that. Where are those one shots? One shots. Ooh. I know we will find a better one, but then for now, let's just see which one can work better. Oh. Better. We copy that, mute here, or paste, put it on one. Please work. Oh, wait. Ooh. Let me hear that. Let's hear. So I might have to do this. Something is missing. I don't know what. Oh, here we can just come and let's try and mess things up. So just delete these like. I don't know what I'm doing, but then let's just see. You know, sometimes I just press random things, hopefully that it will sound great. So we do that, 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 do that. And then we change that sound. I don't like it. Let's try this harp, the harp for now. So put it on one also. Let's see. And this. Ooh, that's fire right there. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, guys, that's how you can make a quick dope trap beat. This was your boy Riccomentals, and I'm out. Ooh. I've been a bitch up in the good, I put in the bed of hoodie. I've been a hoodie. Can't name no to shoot me, bitty, ain't shoot me. Yeah, but you don't wanna shoot me, nah, wanna shoot me. Look at me, boy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a bang or shout out. Boom!